This Dragon Ball Legend mode is amazing, guys. It's amazing hack. Today I'm going to show you the Dragon Ball Legend, how to get this on your devices without paying any single penny with hack plus plus modded version. You don't need to pay a single penny for it. You just need to download and enjoy it as you want. You don't need any PC for it. You don't need any jailbroken Android root devices. You just need to follow me to get this app on your devices. Be careful to follow, guys, all the steps. If you skip, you can't be able to get this app. So follow all the steps and that's it. After following, you will enjoy your app and as you want. One more thing, guys, I am going to pasting the link of the tutorial in the description. Go and click the description and come on next screen to watch the tutorial. Be carefully follow all the steps. If you skip, you can't be able to get this app. So guys, again, be carefully follow all the steps.